So I don't always do a video for the purses I receive in the mail, but I am super excited about this one because I was following it for a week on Mercari, and I noticed that the seller was, dropping the price a little bit by little bit, and then it disappeared, and I was so sad. So I messaged the seller, and I was like, "Where'd that beautiful purse go?" And she said, "Oh, someone else was going to buy it, but they didn't pay, and I haven't heard from them." So I said, "I will buy it." So here she is. I'm super excited. Let's open her up and see what she looks like. Well, I know what she looks like, but I want you to see. First of all, this package job was done professionally. Very well. Nice box. Not too big, not too small, lots of padding inside the box. And then I just love that she put this in a nice plastic protective bag with tape. That was very smart. I love that. Great bag. Great plastic bag. And then she wrapped it in another protective layer with the tissue paper. Nice thick paper here. Woohoo! Gotta turn her up right. This is a Dooney and Bourke. I haven't found a style in this color. I love it. It's a beautiful. Oh, it's a drawstring, so we love that. Just get it out. So pretty. It's like this beautiful burnt orange, orangey red color drawstring bag with nice tissue paper. It looks like it was brand new and she never used it. It still has the tassel protectors on it. I love the strap, which is great for, oh, can't really see it now, but for a shoulder carry, almost a crossbody carry. You can adjust the strap to be longer so you can carry it as a crossbody. And it comes with the card. She put it in a nice plastic bag. And the original tag is on, or in it. And if there's anything else in here, she kept the shape really nice with the extra stuffing inside. So that was really nice of her. Whoop. And even has the little, I guess the scent bag in there to make it smell nice and fresh. But this is such a beautiful bag. Hey, get out of my way, paper. Beautiful bag. I love this. I love the ducky emblem on the front. I love the white outline and the stitching on the ducky there. And the stitching, the white outline. Actually, I guess it's just a white outline throughout the bag, along the trim here, and along the front. You can see it goes to the other side. And then on the strap, it has the protective purse feet at the bottom. And then it's just this really nice, soft pebble grain. Actually, I don't think it's pebble grain. No, it can't be. Can it be Florentine? I'm going to have to do a little more research on the type of leather it is. I don't think it's pebble grain. It feels a little too soft for that. But the inside, like I said, it's a drawstring closure. And the inside, it has that nice leather smell. It's nice and spacious. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can bring you in a little bit closer here. Ooh. That nice, spacious interior. This is a really good sized bag here. And you can see in there the red cloth interior, the zipper pocket, the slip pocket, oh, and then the 2 slip pockets there, with the snap pocket. And then you have the, oh, sorry, keep showing, the green suede kind of inner liner there, which is super nice. This is just a beautiful bag, and I'm super excited to finally have it and add it to my collection. And I just wanted to take that quick moment today to do a quick unboxing and show it off. So, yay! Excited. My new Dooney.